Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to be giving you a first look at Threads, the new social media application by Meta. Stay tuned. Without rehashing the events of last year that had everybody in the Twitterverse in an uproar, it didn't take too long to realize that the competition was going to be taking notice and taking action. Enter Threads by Meta. Meta is going to try to capitalize off of the dissatisfaction that a lot of the users or former users of Twitter had with all the statements that went down, with all the shenanigans that happened at Twitter, um, and hope to parlay that into a viable third option for social media platforms in this niche market. Although Facebook already owns Instagram, which is similar to what Twitter was doing, I guess, if you really look at it. But what this new Threads app does is it merges the best elements of Twitter, Facebook, and puts it into a nice little convenient package. Now, I will say that the ease of installation is made even better as it allows you to import all of your content, and your contacts, excuse me, directly into the app using your same login information for Instagram. That is a benefit. If you've been on the Instagram platform for any number of years, that'll merge right into your life without a whole lot of configuration to do. I'm going to reserve any judgment on the application right now as I'm still getting used to it. It is looking pretty good, looking pretty promising. As a content creator, you will always want to stay on top of trends, and this is going to be one of those trends that you can get in on the ground floor. It was released July 5th. I've installed it 12 p.m. July 6th, 12 a.m. July 6th, and so far so good. Let me know what you think about the application itself. Leave your comments below, hit that like and subscribe button, and let us all know what you think. I will talk to you very, very soon. Thank you.